In today's digital age, streaming services are ubiquitous. But what about IPTV? Before diving in, let's talk about one of the best providers, 2TV.store. Contact Nancy, the customer support, through the link in the description. IPTV, or Internet Protocol Television, is delivering TV content via the internet. It's fast becoming popular, yet many question its legitimacy. Let's dive into what makes IPTV tick and if it's above board. To understand if IPTV is legitimate, we must first look at how it's different from standard cable or satellite TV. Unlike these, IPTV requires legal licenses to distribute content. However, it's crucial to be aware of illegal IPTV services operating without licenses. These can get users into trouble. Always ensure your provider, like 2TV.store, follows legal procedures. Legitimate IPTV services offer flexibility and accessibility, often providing better features than traditional services. But you need to verify licenses and customer reviews to avoid legal risks. In conclusion, IPTV can be a legal and beneficial option if you choose wisely, explore, verify, and make informed choices. Thank you for watching, and remember to check out 2TV.store.